PBM stock analysis tomorrow and onward. Is it a buy or a sell? Watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out. So, Psyence Biomedical stock, okay, sitting at 59 cents, like 53% up for the day, which is great. It's not like we closed at 53. At some point of the day, we were as high as 100, like, this is 3x pretty much, from 40 to like 200 and something percent up, but yeah. Looking at PBM from a broader picture, this is still like an overall bearish trend, honestly, because it's going down from the supply area. It's not going to be a bearish trend if we start breaking with full candle closes, you know, above 143. Anything else, noise, and I wouldn't do a thing, you know, I would not care about it. So even if there's like the rules methods, even take lower, but this is just the bias more so than anything. If you want to learn the strategy, check the first link in the description. All the reviews are 5 stars, and I'll see you in the next